Hello, my audience. I'm reviewing a 1975 musical TV movie called It's a Bird, It's a Plane, It's Superman. The musical adaptation of Superman. I give a 10 out of 10. It's hilarious nonsense, fun, insane, dip in crazy town makes you feel like Superman's depressed and down on himself because he's a freak and doesn't fit in. And he thinks he's a danger to everyone because he's a freak and doesn't fit in because he's an alien from Krypton. Because the psychiatrist, that's also the villain, brainwashes, use psychiatry logic to manipulate into Superman and think he's a freak and is a freak and that's the bad thing. And so he's all depressed for the rest of the play and singing and dancing depressed with a sad note. And he tries to throw himself off the Brooklyn Bridge and drown. He gets this big ass anchor and carries it to the bridge in New York, in Metropolis City, and he's ready to commit suicide until these two strangers that are human give Superman a pep talk saying it's okay to be a freak just as long as you're not hurting anyone or something like that. It's like and then Superman has confidence again and all acting like feeling like Superman again, and he hears scream from Lois, and then he sings and dances triumphantly of how awesome he is. I shit you not. That's the final battle. In the third act, how it wraps up, and two main villains get caught in the explosion and have amnesia, so they get manipulated by the help of Superman and his Clark Kent persona to make him the most decent of men of society. Even though they forget who they were before. That's not all disturbing. That's funny. Even though it could be disturbing in hindsight. Anyway, if you think about it too much. But it is a funny joke. This musical is a funny joke. As a 10 out of 10. I enjoyed this musical. It's one of DC's best projects. Movies I've seen. Brought to the smallest screen from the 70s era of television. It's a TV movie, and I recommend this TV movie. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman musical. It's great. As a 10 out of 10. It's funny. It's nonsense. It's insane of a script, but it works somehow. It just pulls it out of his ass a miracle and nails a home run. That's Superman the musical. If you're a Superman fan or a DC fan, you're going to love this treat. Or you're a fan of old school cinema, you'll love this also, I think. I give this a 10 out of 10. I approve this musical TV movie as a 10 out of 10 points. Give it as my final verdict. Goodbye. Subscribe. Like this video.